Yo, what's happening? Next time I'm here and we're out here at Kota too, ne? And we're gonna have the fastest man to eat the Kota, ne? So now I'm in Tsha Venda and Pressa here. They started already, so we're gonna have a time lapse then, ne? Whoever wins, ne, is winning a t-shirt and a hoodie and also what? A cap. Let's get it! Stop.
Kebab, ditambah kebab, ditambah kebab, ini ditambah kandish, ditambah kandish.
We still at it, It's not done, there's still the blood cup and it's you dog. Please, man. How's it going so far?
I'm tired.
I know, come on. And you, how's it going? I'm hungry. You're hungry? Hey, Kota! What's happening? Say hi to the people out there. So yeah, guys, ne? We're still gonna get it. We're gonna finish up the last round. Let's get it! No. Sit down and finish your food, man. Sit down and finish your food. Show us your plate. Yo.
Ara ditambah kandish, Arya rotu 1, 2, ditambah kandish, ditambah kandish, ditambah kandish.
Yo. Come here.
No.
Come here. Okay, cool. So what happened is, like we promised Tsha Venda, it's a thingy and a shirt and a hoodie. So, guys, what's happening? How do you feel being the champion? The first champion. You're the reigning champion right now.
I feel like I need a belt.
A belt.
Yeah.
And who do you want next for this challenge? Who do you want to challenge out of all the superstars in Venda? Who do you want to challenge for this Kota battle? Just leave out some Kota on your beard thing. On your beard thing. Get him a Soviet, please. So who do you want to challenge next? Out of them, there are a lot of women who freely. Who do you want to challenge first? Even 11 Madima if you want. Who do you want?
What do you want to challenge for a Kota eating contest?
Yeah, man.
I feel like, I gotta go to the shop.
Who do you want to
I
challenge?
want Mizofil.
You want Mr. Venda
I'm
in December?
challenging you, Mizofil, to a Kota eating contest, brah.
Vafili vakonyakiwa ufi Kota contest vakonyakiwa.
I want him.
You won't feel.
And I'm going to do my chawa. Brah, come on. The list is going. Oh no.
So
From the highest to lowest.
this is the distance, you understand? So hey, the same is a film. You've been called out.
All that show by example. All I ever move on up and go move it. How about to Tumbo you're in the Domitami? Yeah. And the loser. Who go do that and this is? It is one of them.
So film is a film and loser.
Who got them and this into Domandin and this? Yeah. No Buddha.